Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we going over Social Blade. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, Social Blade is a third-party website which allows you to search your favorite YouTubers and see what their rank is in the community, how many views they got, how much their estimated earnings were, and it's a good tool for me, like, to kind of get a perspective on YouTube and just to see the potential of YouTube. Now, I just found out about Social Blade this year, January 2019, and I want to go over my Social Blade just to show people, an estimate on how I'm doing on YouTube. Now, one thing I noticed about Social Blade in the community of YouTube, a lot of people always say it's not 100% accurate, and that's correct. Like, even like I can point out something right here, like February 19th, my channel was made on February 18th, so it's really like up one. Sometimes it's a little ahead, and you can just get an estimate. It's really an estimate, but it's pretty close. It's about 98% accurate. So, like, for example, I made $1,100 and it says I made $1,200, but it's a good estimate just to see where your favorite YouTubers are at. The daily views are pretty correct. The live always updates, but these are the views I'm getting right now. I'm averaging about 9,600 views a day. My monthly average is 288,000 views for this current month. But you can even scroll down farther and you can see the progress, like the grind that, your favorite YouTubers had to go through. Like, you see my grind, like in 2016, I wasn't really getting as many. I was getting like 200 subscribers a month. And then, like, recently, January 2019, I learned this information. I started applying it. You can see the growth, once I started applying what I know. So, you know what I'm saying? Whenever you see a dip right here, this is, when you got to delete a bunch of videos. It may be copyright issues. Or you will learn that when you're making YouTube videos with music, a lot of those videos get copyright claimed. You can't earn revenue off of them. But I look at YouTube different. Like, every video has a potential to bring a new subscriber to your channel that can watch a video that is monetized. So it's good to have, both type of content on your channel. That's why I have a lifestyle channel. But a page I wanted to focus on right here, this is the page that inspires me the most. It's called Future Projections. Now, you can see this about any YouTuber, but my future projections just gets me excited, like, just to know. Like I told you, I'm young still, only 25, just learned about YouTube, and it's telling me in the next 5 years, so by the time I'm 30, I'm gonna have 800,000 subscribers, almost 1 million. And like I said, this is just a projection. You can always influence these projections. I can drop a video tomorrow and it can, give me 100,000 subscribers. So it's just a projection, but it's good to see. Like, I think it's good for the mind to have goals and practical things to look at, like with numbers and charts, so you can see and you can kind of give yourself deadlines, and it'll make you want to get up and do something more. But you see, in 2 months, it's saying I'm going to have 23,000. A year from now, it's saying I'll be at 100K. And I think, at the rate I'm going, if I continue to produce content every day that's helpful for people, that people are finding, I can get to 100K in the next 6 months. So YouTube is a crazy place as far as the algorithm goes. That's why I create a lot of different content, lifestyle content, everything that I know people are interested in, things that are of the culture. That's what's promoted on YON World. So you see all my stats. So, right here, after 100K, it's going to be a good time on YouTube. You can see it's saying I'm going to be doing so many views, like 3 years, then 3 years and 2 months. So at certain months, I'm going to be getting like almost 9 million, 10 10 million views in a month. And a channel that inspired me was this Graham Stephan. Now Graham, his channel is all about money. Like, if you know about YON World, I love money. I love being educated on finances, understanding all of that. And YouTube has educational channels that can help you with that. And I found this channel about credit cards when I was looking up, how to get credit cards. And he came up in the search results. But look at this, 6 million views in a month, 27,000. It's probably got about 26, 25,000, because we know Social Blade is off. It always puts you up a couple numbers, but 25,000 in a month. People making that in a year, and it's like, to do this off of something that you love, like making videos, it's kind of a crazy feeling, like to be on a platform that pays you for making video content about yourself. It's a great opportunity. I believe a lot of people need to take advantage of. YouTube only 14 years old, and it's only getting better. It's only getting better as the years go on and more people get exposed to YouTube. It's going to be a great platform to be a part of. So I like being able to see my goals and setting goals for myself. You're able to share all of this. Like I said, you can look up your favorite YouTubers and see like people that you're inspired by, and you can see exactly what they make. I want to make a video about the top YouTube channels just to give y'all inspiration and seeing how much people are making. Like, some people are making millions every month on YouTube, millions of dollars, But you see, you can just see the projection of YouTube. YON World future projections. Millions of views. It's going up, up, up. And you can influence this to go faster by the effort you put in now. Like, the things you do today fuel your future. You could watch this video, get inspired, go make a YouTube channel, start today. You could be more successful. There's people that started their YouTube channel, 3 months ago and got 100,000 subscribers. It's all about your approach, all about how you do it. But, YON World, we grinding from the bottom to the top. But I'll never stop doing YouTube. I love just being able to see this. I love being a part of YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little vibe with it, and just seeing the potential. Like, I just monetized my channel. I just monetized. You can see my growth. And like, I probably figured out monetization around this point. You know what I'm saying? And then I figured out about tags and everything, and just what y'all want to see. And I started posting more. It's consistency. You will see with any YouTuber, the biggest YouTubers you look up, when I do my research and I study YouTube, they say consistency. Because a lot of people, like from Mr. Beast to the Shay Frost, they will all tell you it's consistency. Uploading a video a day, no matter what. You just got to think about something and be creative and do it. Because YouTube is going to be here forever. As long as the internet is alive and thriving, YouTube will be alive and thriving. So, it's your boy YON World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe to YON World. We dropping content every day. So, I hope this video was informative to y'all. If y'all need anything, I got my new email for my channel. It's a new email for everybody in my channel in the description. Hit your boy up. Let me know if you need help. I'll respond. I talk back. I'm not gonna ever take this shit to let this shit get to my head. Like, y'all are my subscribers. Anybody that's watching this, notifications coming in early for your boy. We be up with direct deposits. But I never let this shit get to my head. I'll respond to everybody. Anybody on my channel, you want to reply from YON World, leave a comment. talk to me, I'll talk back. That's how you become more in the algorithm. You have to engage with people. You have to talk. You have to, be out there and growing your channel and growing your platform and your brand. So leave a like, comment. Let's talk. Anything you want to know, you can send me an email. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.